Hello, let's learn about time of the day. We'll start with this word. It's today. Malayalam word for today is inna. Inna. Yesterday is innale. Tomorrow is naale. Now you can see the difference. Ending is le. Naale. Morning, ravile. So if you look at these three words, you can see it ends like innale, ravile. So both are ending like le, innale, ravile. But for tomorrow, we say like naale, naale. Noon is ucha. So afternoon, we say like ucha kazhinja. Word meaning for this kazhinja is after. There is one more similar word to this, that is kazhinju. Ends like u. So kazhinju means it is completed or finished, but here it is kazhinja. That means after. Evening is Vaikunnēram, or you can say as Vaikitta also. So some part of Kerala people say like Vaikunnēram, but some of them they say like Vaikitta. So both are correct. This afternoon is Inna Uchakazhinja. So we say like today afternoon kind of. So it is Inna Uchakazhinja. This morning is Inna Ravile. Inna means today, so Inna Ravile. Yesterday morning is Innale Ravile. Yesterday noon is Innale Ucha. Ucha, you know it is noon. So if you have to say yesterday afternoon, Innale Ucha Kazhinja. Tomorrow morning is Nale Ravile. Nale Ravile. Tonight is Inna Ratri. Inna Ratri. Inna means it is today. So tonight we say like Inna Ratri. It's kind of today night. I know it's wrong, but still we say like Inna Ratri. Tomorrow night is Nale Ratri. Yesterday night is Innale Ratri. This evening is Inna Vaikunnēram, or you can even say like Inna Vaikitta. Tomorrow evening is Nale Vaikunnēram or Nale Vaikitta. Yesterday evening is Innale Vaikunnēram.